We'll guide you through how to hide your active now activity status on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So for whatever reason you want to go and hide your active now activity status. Perhaps somebody's going to told you that yours is on because they can go and see when you're online. Or perhaps when you go and press messages in the middle at the bottom, you're going to notice you can see when other accounts are online. As you can see, I can see this GuideRealm account active, and you want to make sure yours is hidden. As it is quite a personal thing, people being able to go and tell when you're on Instagram, as perhaps they'll try and send you reels or try and call you, and you rather just go and be a bit more anonymous and people not go and know. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide to do exactly what you need to do in order to go and achieve this. So what we need to do is go and head to the bottom right of Instagram. There you're going to go and find the profile icon, which you need to go and tap on. In some cases, it will just be a user looking icon. That will bring you to your account. Now you need to go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three lines which you want to go and tap on, and settings and activity will then go and open up. Now from here, what you need to do is go and scroll down, and you want to go and find the option for messages and story replies. So you want to come into here. And then in here, you should go and see the option for show activity status. So we can then come into here like so, and it goes and says, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to go and see the activity status of other accounts. So there is a bit of a trade-off there, as you then can't go and see the status of other accounts. Personally, I don't mind. I'd rather them not see mine. So I can go and switch that off like so. And that's it. It's now going to be hidden and others can't go and see when you're online.